Hi friends, let me show you this new furniture dolly that I received for reviewing purposes. These accessories are really useful when you need to move heavy furniture like watchers, refrigerators, or big sofas. I'm going to show you these units are really useful. You get this accessory will help you to lift the furniture in the first place. It allows you to lift the furniture and insert the dolly underneath the leg. Okay? As you can see, these are large units for large furniture. They have this hole in the middle, so if your furniture has wheels or any kind of moving accessory, they will fit in this hole and they will stay here. Or if it's a flat surface furniture, you have these bumpers so the furniture will stay here and won't move, okay? Every dolly has 4 wheels, okay? You also get these plastic accessories if for any reason you need to lift your furniture higher to get the dollies under the legs. You can use this plastic. You could even put them in wood pieces or anything to make them higher, and you will be able to lift your furniture. Let's try them. So we are going to use the dolly to move this heavy table. We are not going to use the lift helper as we don't have anywhere to use it to help us, okay? So we are going to put the legs in the dolly like this. Okay. And that's it. As you can see, the legs fit perfectly in the base part. You even have more space here if the legs were bigger. And with this, you are able to move the table really easily. Wherever you need it. It helps you to move furniture around, even if it's really heavy, like this table is, and it makes it really easy. Okay? Now let me show you how to use the lift helper. Now let me show you, if you are going to use the dolly or the furniture mover in a large furniture where you have a place to use the lifter accessory, you can do it like this, but this is not enough. So you use this extra height accessory and you lift the furniture and insert the dolly like that. So with this lifting accessory, you can put all the dolly in their places and move your furniture really, really easily. In this height, or using 1 or 2 of the extra height blocks. Okay? When you want to finish moving your furniture and you want to put it back down, you use the lifter again, get the dolly out, and put the furniture back in the floor. A very good option if for any reason you need to move large furniture and you want some help with a dolly or a furniture mover like this. Thank you.